Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. I hope you had a wonderful New Year's, a wonderful holiday with your friends and family. I know I sure did. And if you are not yet following me on Instagram or Facebook, please do. It's just Me Plus Everything. There you'll get to see more behind the scenes content, more of my personal uploads. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a featured recipe to kick off 2019, and it is going to be from BenjimanTV. He is the husband of It's Judy's Life, or It's Judy's Time. If you guys do not know who he is, I will leave a link in the description box down below. They are a family vlogger, and he has his own channel where he uploads his own recipes from time to time, and whenever I watch their family vlogs, he's always cooking for them, and I'm always like, oh my gosh, I wish I can try the food that he cooks for them because it looks so good. And finally, today is the day. Chicken Fettuccine Alfredo recipe. It is going to be my first time trying this, so you guys will get to see everything and how it comes out and how it tastes at the end. So be sure to stay tuned, and don't forget to click that like button and the subscribe button. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so to start, rinse your mushrooms and slice them thinly. I don't like mushrooms, but this recipe calls for it, so I guess I'll have to like it today. Next, chop your onions into small pieces. I'm watching his recipe as I go through the whole video, so you'll hear him in the background as well. After that, you want to grate your Parmesan cheese. I chose the finely grated side. You want to cook your chicken after you're all done prepping your veggies. Bring the heat to medium-high and add a little bit of olive oil, then add your chicken. Also add black pepper and salt. At the same time, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and cook your fettuccine noodles. You can do this during or after you cook your chicken. Flip your chicken to the other side and do the same with salt and pepper. The time of cooking your chicken breasts depends on how big they are. You can cover the pan with the lid too for faster cooking. Once your chicken is done cooking, cut them into small bite-sized pieces to add into the sauce later. I forgot to record that part. Add the mushrooms into the same pan you cooked your chicken with. You may want to add a little bit more olive oil. Stir that up until they start getting brown. Next, you want to add your garlic and onions. Stir fry them for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't have white wine, so I just added the chicken stock. However, the chicken stock that I bought said it already has white wine in it, so I just went with that. Once your noodles are done, drain them in a colander. One tip, keep a little bit of the pasta water. I totally forgot that part. Add the butter once it starts to boil. And also add the flour. Now slowly add the cream a little bit at a time. You don't want to change the temperature of the sauce. Always make sure you're stirring so you don't burn anything. Once the cream is all mixed, add your chicken. Turn your heat down to low, stir it up, and cover it to let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it starts to boil, you want to add your cheese. Add your noodles and mix everything together. Here you are supposed to have a little bit of the pasta water in the sauce to help thicken it, but I forgot it and drained all the water out. So be sure to keep a little bit of the pasta water. Now I know it doesn't look as thick and as creamy, but trust me, it will later on. Once everything is mixed well, plate it. And garnish it with green onions. This part's optional. Good luck, you guys. Alright guys, I'm all finished with the recipe. I am super excited to try it, but you know what? I'm gonna be honest. Mine does not look as good as his. Let's just say that. Let me give you guys a close-up. There you go. Yeah, it was pretty difficult to try and recreate it and make it look just like his. I'm not quite sure what I did wrong. Okay, actually, I knew exactly what I did wrong. I forgot the white wine. I really think it would have made it look more gravy-like what he had said in his video. More of a darker color as well. I also did not add the pasta water to help thicken it up. But it's okay. This was my first time making an Alfredo sauce out of scratch, so I wasn't really sure how it would look besides what he had in his video. Okay, now back to the video. I think it was just because I did not have the white wine, but you know what? Let's give it a try. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, let's get some of that chicken, a little bit of mushroom, and the noodles. You know, it's actually not bad. It's pretty good. This is like my first time making like a homemade like Alfredo sauce, like out of scratch. It's pretty good. Yeah, you can definitely taste the butter, that half stick of butter. The Parmesan cheese. I put like 2 cups of that. It's not as creamy as I would like because his looks really creamy and I don't know how to get that. I don't know, maybe I'm just not patient to, you know, let it simmer, but the flavor is there. It's pretty good. All right. Okay. I mean, not too bad for first time trying. All right, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, today's video was a featured recipe from BenjimanTV. I will leave a link down in the description box below to his video and his channel, especially the one showing you guys how to make this recipe. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.